Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is all about Lakita, and I'm gonna make these bomb chicken tacos today. So we're starting with some green onions, and you know I love onions. I hope you guys do too, because this slaw that I'm about to make is so good. Then I went into my red cabbage, and I'm telling you, I wasn't gonna do the red cabbage. I was just gonna do regular cabbage, but honey, this red cabbage gave it a different flair. So what I did with this is I did a ranch dressing to go on top of there, and I left the ingredients up there for you. I'm actually off camera. I did shred some carrots. So it was green onions, cabbage, and carrots that was in this slaw, honey. And you just take that thing and mix it on up. Mix it up, get all that ranch slaw dressing intertwined in there. And then let's go to the chicken. So I had crushed these cornflakes up, and they seasoned. Put some salt, some pink Himalayan salt, some paprika, and some herbs, Tony Skechers herbs in there. And I had some cutlass chicken breast that I seasoned to on the side. You could just season it to your liking and then rub that stuff in. So after you dip it in the egg solution, you just put it in that seasoned breadcrumbs, and you throw that thing in the oven. So look, we made this bread, and I forgot to tape how we made it, but listen, this bread is so good with this slaw and this chicken breast on top of there. We actually just use flour and Greek yogurt to make the bread. Now this is some little sriracha sauce I made on the side, but y'all look at that. Oh my goodness.